it's your Mariah and I'm back with another video. And today, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing a hot ponytail tutorial. So I just want to say before I get started and stuff, like what you need and stuff, like you need your hair to be manageable. If you hair nappy, you might have to blow dry it, flat iron. I got my hair cut, that's why it's flat iron. But if it was in a normal state, I'll blow dry it out and like to the point where I can put it in ponytail. But you need a brush, you need some edge control, that's what I'm using, and what else? Edge control and a comb and some rubber bands and a bow. You probably need multiple bows just in case your hair is like a little bit more nappier, stuff like that. But you need bows and stuff. So I'm just gonna be using one type of edge control. It works very good for my hair, and I'm using this hard bristle brush, and I'm gonna show you what to do with it. So I think I'm gonna do a voiceover. Should I do a voiceover? Oh, it's over there. My freaking stomach's so big, I don't know if I want to get up. My lips was chapped this whole entire video. My bad. I'm so sorry, y'all. You had to see this disturbing image. I'm just gonna comb through it. No way, I'm gonna do a voiceover. So I'm combing through it and make sure it's smooth and make sure there's no lumps so I can put it in the ponytail. Now I'm going to put it in a ponytail so I can know where my ponytail is going to be and how high I want it. Getting the edge control and putting it all around my head to make sure it's smooth. Now I'm going to be brushing it and making sure there's no lumps, and I'm going to do this all around my head so that I make sure there's no lumps and make sure it's sleek and very high. And I'm just going to be doing that all around and just repeating this until I get what I want. And every time I make it sleek, I'm going to put a bow on it to make sure that it stays in place, and keep doing this until I get what I want. Basically, same thing. And you're just gonna keep doing this until you get the sleek surface you want and how you want it. I'm gonna pull out my edges so that when I do my edges, they'll be loose and I don't have to snatch them out the ponytail and mess up the whole ponytail. As you can see, I'm doing it. Putting my bow on, brushing, putting my bow on, putting gel on, make sure it's smooth. And now I'm spraying water on it to make it hard, because when you spray water on edge control, it tends to make the edge control more stiff. You can use gel for this too, but I just decided to use water because that's what I had around me, and I haven't been to the store to get gel lately, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm pulling it with my other hand to make sure it's tight and where I want it. I have a bow on it, so I'm going to get the peach bow, and I'm going to wrap it on the bottom of the black bow to make it tight and in place. Now I'm going to repeat that over and over till I get it how tight I want and how I like it. Now I'm getting the edge control and making sure it's smooth all around and nothing's sticking up. Now I'm pulling on my edges all around my hairline, and I'm going to separate it from the ponytail. Now I'm making sure that it's laid down. I'm going to put a scarf around it and just make sure that the scarf is tight as possible so it can stay sleek and I won't have to worry about it. So this is the part where you need to pay attention on. I'm just going to be getting some rubber bands. You can braid it, but I just decided to get the rubber bands. It's more easier than braiding it. Make sure all the hair is between the rubber bands and just doing this all the way to the top so that you'll get it how you want it. But I totally forgot to skip this step. I was supposed to make it into like a bun, like flip it back, but I was so
That's her boyfriend.
Caught up talking and doing that. What am I doing? I don't know. But I was so caught up on that I totally forgot to put the rubber band on there. As you can see, I'm trying to do it, but I'm like, I don't know. But you're supposed to pull that back, so I'm just going to keep going. I'm brushing out the weave, making sure there's no naps so that I can get it straight. Now, as you can see on this part, I zoomed in and slowed it down so you can see how to do this. You need to get a piece of hair on the end of the track and wrap it all the way around until you get it how you want it. Till it's tight. And you're going to get the track and just going to wrap it around until you get to the top. But if it was a bun, it would have been a little smaller. I don't know what I was thinking. But I noticed it after I had did the track and I noticed I didn't turn into a bun. And I just like, oh man, I'm just going to leave it like this. But now I'm going to get the piece of hair and I'm going to wrap it around like the same thing I did at the beginning until it's no more hair left. Now I'm adding another track to make it more, add more length to it. And I'm just going to see if I like it. I'm going to brush through it and make it even.
Now I'm going to flat iron it, because this is not the straight Brazilian weave. This is the wavy one. So I'm just going to flat iron it. But I did not record when I made the braid into a bun. I forgot to record it, but I made it so bun. I just bobby pinned it to the back and just made it to a bun. And right now I'm just checking to make sure everything's smooth and making sure that everything is how I want it. I'm going to go over it with some edge control and hit the spots where I think it needs it. Now I'm going to put the edge control on my edges. Now I'm styling my edges and just slicking them down, styling them how I want it, and separating them. I forgot to say that I put water on my edges and to make them more easier to work with, because when you add edge control with like gel or water, it make it more hard and stuff. So that's what I did. Now I'm going back with a comb and separating all the edges and just styling them. But this is how it turned out. I hope y'all like it and stuff. I try my best. This is my first time doing this, so I don't know, but I like it. I think I like a little pretty Barbie. Comment what y'all think down below.
But I hope y'all like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I just hope y'all mess up close. I tried. This is my first time doing this, so I'm just gonna tell y'all, like, it's very easy. But thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that. Period. Bye, y'all.